If you don't like space junk but still love stargazing, then you need to hear this. It's more serious than you think. Imagine a junkyard in space. That's what we're dealing with. Over 27,000 pieces of debris orbiting our planet at speeds up to 17,500 miles per hour. This isn't just floating trash, it's a deadly hazard for satellites and the International Space Station. Every tiny fragment, from old rocket parts to paint flecks, poses a collision risk. Even something as small as a paint chip can cause catastrophic damage at those speeds. And with every collision, more debris is created, making space an increasingly dangerous place. Satellites are crucial for communication, weather forecasting, and GPS. The ISS is home to vital scientific research. A single hit could mean losing these essential services or even risking astronauts' lives. Cleaning up space is urgent. We need innovative solutions now to prevent a cascade of collisions. The future of our space endeavors depends on it.